No, the ceasefire is over.
He's got a point. Spartans should have checked in already.
You heard those shots. Sounded like a firefight to me.
How do you know, Thanos? Giorgio's been late before, and the rebels, I mean, maybe they are just showing a militia how to shoot straight.
In this fog? Unlikely. Okay,
Nobody asked you, Surgeon. We're not your island anymore.
that's enough. Squad leaders, this is how it's going to go. Spartan group had failed to report, and there's been some gunfire near here. Point Lambda. Basically, this area. As you can see, it's right on their patrol route. Of course, we haven't seen shit for days. The weather has us blind, and there is good chance Akanteros's rebels are taking advantage of that fact. I would say they've already made a play for Reno, effectively putting our forces on the back foot. The town's half empty and could have fallen without anybody knowing about it. Truth is, we can't risk waiting. We must take the initiative. Now, Mavros. He's volunteered to lead our reconnaissance team, Chimera. They will locate our lost squad and ID enemy positions and armor before a full-scale offensive. Yes, we're staging an attack. First, however, we must soften their defenses by calling in a rocket strike. Some of you may know Color Sergeant James. His group, callsign Falcon, have a provider on standby. Their involvement will not be the subject of any discussion. Once everything's set, Hoplite and Centaur will advance on Reno from the south and west. Chimera will then swoop in from the west. As soon as we capture the town, we may need to defend against quick reaction forces, here and maybe here from the north. So, be prepared. Any questions? No? Then gear up. Let's get this done. Mavros, you teams outside. It's slim pickings, but there's gear and weapons upstairs. Go ahead and take what you need. But hurry it up, clock's ticking.
How's the Gorgon working out for you?
Yeah. Finish them repairs. But those tires you shut out. It's not easy to replace them.
Well, tell you what. Next time you want a 22-ton killing machine, go and ask someone else.
Mr. James?
I don't think so. We've got the first one for you. Better make a move, lads. It's getting light. If you come across Spartan, call it in. We'll organize extraction.
Got it. Olympus Chimera. The Brits are in position and we're proceeding on task. Over.
All right, Chimera. Identify defenses and armor. All call signs and artillery support are waiting on your mark.
Copy that, Olympus. See you on the other side. Out. Okay, keep it quiet. This fog gives us an advantage, but it won't help us much if we get into trouble. got a visual. Unknown contact. 700 meters. Bearing 030. I've got a visual. Man. 700 meters. Bearing 030. There's an enemy. Unknown contact. 400 meters northeast. Contact. Machine gunner. 400 meters northeast. Enemy spotted. Man. Half a click. Northeast.
Target's in sight. I got a visual. Soldier, half a click, northeast. I've got a visual. Machine gunner, half a click, bearing 060. Over here!
Spartan? Fuck! Where are you?
I'm bleeding! I'm bleeding!
Okay. This should help.
The ceasefire. They fired first.
Forget about it. We need to get out of here.
There's a hunter's lodge. I can make it.
Falcon, this is Chimera. Spartan's been ambushed. We got one survivor. Moving to A, small house. On grid 096170. Over.
Good enough, Chimera. We'll RV with your guy there. Out.
Some of them were captured. They are alive.
You know where they are?
No, but I heard some talk about the storage shed. It can't be far from here. They left on foot. You gotta find them.
Okay. Don't worry about them now. Just stay focused and keep pressure on that wound. Fall back.
Copy that.
Man, 200 meters, left. Contact. Soldier, 200 meters, left flank. Contact. Soldier, 200 meters, left flank. Target in sight. Contact. Man, 200 meters, left. Contact. Rifleman, 200 meters, left. Contact. Infantry, 200 meters, left flank.
Target, rifleman, west.
Target acquired. Contact. Rifleman, 200 meters to the rear. Ready to fire.
Right wheel.
Fire!
Target is neutralized. Scratch one. Do not fire.
Update. We're with the survivor from Spartan. Check your map. 102-178. He says he saw a couple of med trucks there, unloading things. Look at that location. My guess is they used them to shift artillery. Right under our fucking noses.
Could be, Falcon. Olympus, we have a lead on a possible mortar threat just outside Arena. Over.
Acknowledge, Chimera. Push forward and investigate. Out.
Stop!
Roger.
Contact! Unknown contact. 600 meters. Bearing 135. Contact! Unknown contact. 700 meters. Northeast. Holy shit! Chimera to Olympus. Sighting. Enemy mortars in our AO.
Acknowledge, Chimera. Secure that site. Over.
Understood, Olympus. Out. Fall back.
Solid copy.
Contact. AT soldier. 100 meters. Just up ahead.
Contact. Technical. 600 meters. Southeast.
Contact. Man. 100 meters. Just up ahead.
Target in sight. Contact. 80 meters. 200 meters. Just ahead.
He's down. Scratch one. Target is neutralized.
Contact. Soldier. 200 meters. To the right of us. Contact. Soldier. 200 meters. Right flank. Ready to fire. Report position.
Four. No target. Four. Carry, move left.
Roger.
Copy my stance.
Contact. Soldier. 100 meters. Just up ahead. Contact. Soldier. 100 meters. Just up ahead. 100 meters. Scratch one. Scratch one. Hostile down. Eyes on target.
2, 3, 5, 6. Do not fire! Four. Target. Technical. Southeast.
There's an enemy. Technical. 600 meters. Bearing 150. I've got the visual. Rifleman. 400 meters. South. Enemy spotted. Rifleman. 400 meters. South.
4. Fall back. 4. No target.
Target in sight. Technical, 100 meters. Stop ahead. Eyes on target.
He's down. Target is down. On your feet. Copy my stance. Stop.
Roger.
Contact. Frag. 100 meters. Just up ahead. Target eliminated. Target is down.
Light them up!
Weapons free. Fall back.
Roger.
Form line. Contact. Soldiers. 100 meters. Right up ahead.
Contact. Truck, 75 meters. Left. Target is neutralized.
Go. I'll cover.
Olympus, we're in control of those motors. Over.
Pleased to hear that, Chimera. Though be advised, it's likely some kind of QRF is inbound. Destroy the artillery or dig in and hold them off. Out.
On your feet. Copy my stance. Fall back.
Solid copy. Contact. Machine gunner. 200 meters. Left. Contact. Soldier. 200 meters. Left flank.
Hold fire. Contact. 300 meters. Target. Soldier. Left.
Contact. 200 meters. Just up ahead.
Andy. 200 meters. Right up ahead. Target. Right up ahead. Fire ahead.
Rifleman. 100 meters. Line up.
Move.
Target is neutralized. Target eliminated.
I've got him. Do not fire.
Target in sight.
Okay, let's go. Light them up.
Go. Target is neutralized.
Hold fire.
Target in sight. On the move. Enemy spotted. Soldier. 300 meters. Bearing 120. Ready to fire.
Open up.
Covering. Go. Contact. Soldier. 300 meters. Bearing 120.
Contact. Soldier. 300 meters. Southeast.
I got a visual. Soldier. 300 meters. Southeast. In front. 200 meters.
Contact. 300 meters. Bearing 120.
Contact. Soldier. Just up ahead.
Go! Rifle. 300 meters. Bearing 120.
Target is down.
Hostile down. Ceasefire. Form diamond.